Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to share invite link on LiveChat. So to start, open LiveChat on your device or on your phone. Next, at the top, click on Team. Now what you can do is click on the plus icon at the top right. Now here you can display QR code or share invite link. So we're going to click on share invite link. And once you click that here, you can share it to social media. You can airdrop it, send it to messages. You can mail it, save it to notes. You can send it to Cloud, your Drive, X app, Instagram, Acrobat, WhatsApp, or whichever you want to send it. Now, if you click on copy, you can share that to Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, X, Reddit, or anywhere you like. And then the person you send it to will open that link and join your workspace faster. Now, instead of sharing your invite link, you can also generate QR code so people can join your workspace faster. So click on display QR code, and here is your QR code. So you can send it to your members. And that's basically it. That's how you can share invite link on live chat. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.